Okay, this video was requested new for 2020. How do we change the YOAST meta title to the current year's date? So let me show you what I'm talking about. If you go over to Google and you were to type in, let's see, I think I already changed Lori Ballen, but we're about to find out. Okay, so see right here where I've got these little brackets and then it says Lori Ballen 2020. So what I do is every year I use my YOAST plugin to change that extension of the title tag to be, last year was 2019, then it's 2020. The reason I do that is to increase click-through rates so that when people see my page of my website on the search engine results page, it's more likely to look current and therefore increase the click-through rate. So how we change that, I've already changed the Lori Ballen one. I need to do my others now. I think, let's take a look. Let's see if I look up Ballen Vegas. That's my real estate website. Oh, I may not have any listed on that one right now. Okay, so, oh yeah, yeah. So let me show you how to change that. It's really easy if you just set it once and then it'll update all the time. So go over here to, you're going to go to your SEO where it says SEO. That's your YOAST plugin if you're using YOAST SEO. And then you're going to go ahead and go to search appearance. All right. Now you've got several places in which you can change this. If you click over on content types, you're going to have settings that are related to your website. So most of us have posts for WordPress, right? And then most of us have pages. And then some of us even have like brew pages or events pages or something else being populated from our plugin. So you'll want to change that on every one that you do this on, okay? So here is how I do mine. So by default, I have title, page, a little separator, and then I just type in there in brackets, Lori Ballen 2020, you know, or that can say whatever the title is of your website or a keyword, 2020. And so here, these little items here that are being populated are tags that are being populated from your YOAST field. So if you click on insert snippet variable, you can insert the title, the primary category, the separator, and then you can actually just go over and Google YOAST snippet variables and you can see a list of some others. This is where I got excerpt from. So what it will automatically do is it will automatically populate. In this case, it'll populate the excerpt that I put into the blog post and it'll make it my meta description. I can also put in that Lori Ballen 2020 if I wanted to in the meta description. And you can test it and see if it increases click-through rates for you or not. So that's a very simple strategy. And then I would go down to pages and I would do the same thing. Make sure that you update it and then however you want this to be set and then click Save Changes. And what happens is the next time Google crawls your website, it will update all of your pages inside the search engine results page. Hope that helped. If you're looking for a marketing coach, head over to ballenacademy.com.